Hello everyone, this revision series focuses on vector representation. Now a vector is a straight line that moves in the same direction with a length that is directly proportional to its magnitude. Now your vector has 2 points. It has a starting point and it has an ending point. Now let's say for example Pam. Pam travels from point A to point B. Alright? So if Pam started at A, then A would be considered to be the starting point. And if she ended at B, then B would be considered to be the ending point. Alright? Now, this journey can be abbreviated by AB with an arrow indicating that Pam actually moved from A to B. Another thing about our vector has a tail and a head. Now A, or the starting point, is known as the tail and B is known as the head, which is also known as the ending point, as I have just mentioned. Alright, now let's say for example, we're taking into consideration the horizontal shift of this vector. Now the horizontal shift would be indicated by X, and the vertical shift would be represented by Y. Alright, now this is vertical and horizontal shift of, let's say, X and Y can be represented as what is called a column vector. Alright, so the column vector of Pam's journey A to B is basically equal to X and Y. Alright, now let us look at another example. Alright, so I'm going to be drawing the journey. Alright, and this journey now is Roy's journey. Alright, so Roy travels from home to school in this case. Alright, so Roy would begin at C and Roy's school would be at D. Alright, so home would be C and school would be D. Alright, so because Roy is traveling from home to school, it means that my arrow would be pointing towards school to indicate that he's traveling indeed from home to school. Now in this case, the horizontal shift, of course, would be given by a horizontal line. Mine is not perfect, but I'm hoping that you would have gathered the concept. And the vertical shift would be indicated by this vertical line. Alright, so this would be the horizontal shift, which we had said before is X, and the vertical shift would be denoted as Y. Alright, now what we can do, we can actually count the number of units to basically assist us in determining the horizontal shift. Alright, so that would be 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so X is equal to 4. Alright, and then 1, 2, so Y is equal to 2. Alright, so I would have to travel 1, 2 units vertically and 1, 2, 3, 4 units horizontal. Alright, so therefore now my column vector, or the column vector of Roy's journey from home to school, would be equal to a horizontal shift of 4 units and a vertical shift of 2 units. Alright, so this is equal to C to D. Alright, C to D. Alright, and that is how we can basically represent our vector. If you have any questions, please remember to comment down below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you have any other topics that you would like me to review or to revise with you, feel free to ask. I'm here at your service.